They call me redneck.
It's John Champion and alongside me, Jim Beglin. And we're both thoroughly enjoying the atmosphere at Wembley.
Hi John, it's brilliant to be here with this fantastic atmosphere. I think we're in for a treat.
And the lineups for today. And we're now all set. Cheru as Piliqueta slides it through, shoots. It was a good ball in.
Yeah, and that was all about the through ball. Great control, and the weight was perfect.
Sola cuts it out. They're off on the counter. He wants to get a cross in from here. A mistimed lunge there, easy for the ref. Free kick. And he may want words and possibly a card as well. Yes, it's a yellow. Marseille with a free kick. Minutes gone in the first half. Here's Nkulu. Here's Aludiara. Feeds a long ball into space. Got it. Plays this forward. Benoit Cheru. It's come through to him nicely. And we've barely had half of the first half. Wants to get this forward. Now Nkulu. Nkulu. Here's Benoit Cheru. The ball's with Benoit Cheru. As Piliqueta. No, it's been cut out. They hit it long now. Another 5 minutes remaining before half-time, and the game is tied. Morel makes the interception. A really impressive run through. Benoit Cheru's cross. The danger passes with a timely deflection. A corner though. The referee blows his whistle to draw the first half to a close.
I think it's been a very impressive defensive effort. They've never been broken down and contained the opposition attack extremely well.